I really hate to say this kind of shit, but in this video you're going to hear my nose sniffle quite a bit, and you're actually going to hear my breathing be pretty heavy. The reason for that is just, it's obviously cold out, you guys know the weather, but my point is that I can't cut most of it out, because if I do, then you're not going to get a lot of the context of the clips, just because it might happen when like people are talking to me, and I don't want to cut that audio out, just because then there would be a little bit of like a confusion. It's not as bad, and I'm trying to minimize it as possible as I can, but then again, you know, I wasn't really expecting for this to happen. So with that being said, I really do hope you guys enjoy this, but with that being said, let's just get right to the video.
Fuck. Fuck, dude. I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. Fuck. No, I'm fine.
No, don't say that. Let's help you.
No, I can lift. I got it. I got it.
Oh, fuck, it's heavy.
No, just
back it.
Ah, shit. Ah, fuck, dude. Yeah, no, I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah. I can go. Yeah, I'm fine.
Did you just pack the dirt?
Yeah, it's that shit.
This camera. I think it's one of your brakes.
Yeah, it's all fucked. Thank you.
You're right. Do you need to call anyone?
No, it's fine. I can call someone.
You good?
Yeah.
Is it broken?
Oh yeah, I can't ride this thing. No, the brake's gone. No, I live.
On this thing?
Yeah. Huh? I'm not cold. I have sweaters. Put a ton of sweaters on.
Wait, so it can't be fixed right now?
No. I have no brake. How am I supposed to stop? No, I was here with my stepmom. She just took off though, so. Yeah, sure.
Are you sure you're okay?
Oh, I'm fine. Yeah.
I feel like you went down like really hard.
Nah, I'm alright. Just watch out for that thing. The curb.
Oh yeah, the curb.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
No, it's just the curb is heavy.
At least I put on a show for you guys. This will probably be good.
Look at one of your lights. Here's one of your lights. What else are you missing? I think it was just the brake. We found the brake.
Yeah, I got the brake.
Is your leg alright?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm all fine.
I feel like you went down really hard.
No, I'm alright.
Is this your first time riding?
No.
I'm being funny. I'm serious.
No, I've been riding since July.
Okay,
It was just that. So it was all the dirt.
Are you missing anything else? Like, there's your light.
Nah, I'm all good. This bike was already messed up anyway.
You up?
Huh?
Is someone gonna pick you up?
Yeah, I'm gonna call someone in a second.
Okay.
No, he's on his way.
Who, your stepdad?
Yeah.
Is he gonna hurt you?
No, he's fine. No, he's alright. He's not.
Trust you.
You could trust me.
Well, because
I know that didn't seem very trustworthy, but
no, that did not. I'm
Yeah.
sorry, but that did not seem trustworthy. That seems very silly.
yeah.
Stupid.
Well, I mean, I wasn't
Be smarter.
being unsafe. Well, it was just that.
I know, but there was a car like right there.
Yeah, I know. It was more just like.
Waited, like until they pulled up.
I guess I should have.
Kill someone or yourself.
No, I would not kill them. They would not die.
But they would kill you.
Yeah, but that's better than them dying.
No. Alright.
I promise I'm alright. Yeah.
It's not normal to think like that.
Huh? Like 10 minutes.
Okay. So we can go home to our children.
Yeah.
You'll be okay.
I'll be alright.
You're not going to drive, right?
I can't ride it. Even if I wanted to, I can't. This bike was already really messed up anyway. Like, my peg's already gone. This wasn't from right now. And if you look at the other side of the bike, it's all like scratched. Yeah, no, I was already looking at like new ones and stuff, but...
Yeah, I don't think that's a good idea. I think you should maybe drive a car.
My car engine seized, so...
Instead of a motorcycle.
This is the second accident I've had.
Alright, you know what? Listen, I really felt bad for you. But the second accident you've had, you're only 20. You shouldn't have had 2 accidents.
I mean, you've never rode a bike, though.
Being careful.
Well, my first accident was in New Hampshire. The road turned to
I don't care where it was. It could be in Alaska. You have to be more careful.
Yeah, I know.
You don't, though. If you did, then you wouldn't do it.
Well, I mean, I wasn't right here.
I'm going to go home to my children as long as you're okay.
I'm fine, yeah.
You're okay.
I'm alright. I'm alright. Yeah, I promise. Shit, boys. Fuck. Shit. Damn. Damn, at least this thing was on. That was fucking nice. Fuck, dude. I can't believe that actually happened. Now this bike's really fucked, so. Huh? No, I'm alright, thank you. It's warm out for me. Well, guys, that was TBN with that video. This will definitely be on YouTube. In a second, try to show this shit for you guys. I was literally coming out of this parking lot, and I know, okay, this accident was 100% my fault. Like, there's obviously no doubt about it. This shit was my fault. I was coming out of here. I was even speeding a little bit too. I was trying to make, you know, I was seeing everybody outside. I was trying to make a little bit of, like, you know, noise, trying to get the attention. And I was just coming so fast, and I just wanted to, like, pull out. And I obviously seen a car coming, and I was like, shit, I can do this if I'm fast enough. And, you know, I ended up catching myself on all this shit. And, like, I don't know. I think it was this, honestly. I think this is why this shit right here, I don't know if you guys can see how, like, it goes in. I'm pretty sure that it was right here that I fell. My back tire hit this, and that's where I just came out. At least it could have been a lot worse, you know? But this bike was already fucked up, you know? I'm already getting the new one. And honestly, when I fell, my first reaction was, shit, there's a car behind me, and I might die. That's why I just kind of sat there. Like, not, like, no depressed shit or anything, but I kind of just sat there and I was like, this car is going to hit me. I'm, like, looking, I'm honestly, like, my life flashed in front of my eyes. Because I thought that they were much closer than I guess I predicted. So, you know, I fell. And I was just kind of, like, sitting there. I was a little disappointed. I was very embarrassed. And at the same time, I was just like, shit, this car's going to hit me. What's up?
Want to start?
Huh?
Start?
No, the bike's all fucked up. I just fell. Yeah. It's all fucked up. It's not gonna start.
I am this mechanic.
Huh?
This mechanic.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh no, the brake's literally gone.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
This brake is good.
Yeah, that brake's good.
The back.
But if you look, like, you know.
Want to start it?
Yeah, it's fucked. I got someone already on the way to come pick me up, but. What the fuck's going on here? Yeah, it's toast, man. Dude, this is fucking weird, but let me make sure I get his plate. 139,841. Okay. I almost had it. Yeah, it's really done. Yeah, I'm all right. Yeah, yeah. It was a light fall. It wasn't anything big. But yeah, thank you for stopping though. Doesn't even start anymore. Look at.
You're gonna have to line it up.
Yep. Thank you. Have a good night.